ไม่เห็น
Okay, hello, Pooh. Hello, how are you?
Hello, teacher.
Yes, hello. How are you?
I'm happy.
Okay, you are happy. Very good. Okay, so how about what did you do today? What did you do today?
Oh, as I play hide and seek.
Okay, very good. You play hide and seek. Okay, so let's start with this one, Pook. Okay, so can you tell Teacher Kai who are they? Who are they?
Who are they?
Yes, who are they? This is
Father, brother, sister, and mother.
very good. Okay, so now we are going to have a new class. Okay, now we are going to learn. Let's read.
Painting a picture.
Okay, painting a picture. Very good. So look at this picture. What is the girl doing?
Is a sister.
Yes, it's sister. What
Is a
is?
painting a picture.
Very good. She is painting a picture. What? What is she painting? What is she painting?
Is I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. So that is a prince and a princess. Do you know how to paint? How about you, Poke? Do you know how to paint?
Is mm,
Okay, I'm asking, do you know how to paint?
is
Okay, is it just a yes or no? Do you know how to paint? Do you know how to paint?
is a painting.
You, how about you? You know how to paint you? Do you know how to paint? Okay, is it
Mm,
a yes or no? You know how to paint?
uh, yes.
Okay, yes. Now let's start with this one book. Okay, let's read. This is, who is this?
Make
Okay, very good. Mick. Now this one, this is a,
meal.
okay, a meal. Very good. So meal, okay, book, listen, teacher Kai. Book is, meal is a food. Okay, food. Meal, food. Okay, book. Hello.
Yes.
Meal is food. Food.
Meal is food.
Okay, very good. So meal is a what?
Food.
Very good. Now look at the picture. What is happening in this picture, Po?
Is mm, is a meat. Is food meal.
Okay. Where is the meal? Can you tell Teacher Kai where is the meal? Where is the meal? The meal is on.
Or is mm,
The
is
meal is on.
is is a food.
Mm, yes. So where is the food? Where is the food?
What
Where is the food? I'm asking, where is the food?
is a meal?
Where? Where? Where?
Is a chicken.
Where? Where? It means on the table.
Table
On
on the
the
table.
table. Where is the meal? Where is the meal?
Uh,
Where is the meal? It's on.
is on tick is on the table.
Okay. Now this one, this is what we call
Mooncake
okay, mooncake. Now this one, this is
is
a
my
okay. Where is the mice? Where is the mice? Where is the mice? Where? Where is the mice?
mm, is mm, is my
Found on
is
the wall on the
on the table.
okay. So again, who is this?
Mm, is
Who? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
is my is a milk.
Okay, and this one, this is
Mm, it is mm, milk.
this one. What is this? What do we call this one?
Is a chicken and rice
Oh,
in on the table.
okay, very good. The chicken and the rice is on the table. Okay, now let's have this one. So this is it morning or night?
It's a night.
Okay, now this one, who is this?
It's Nick.
Okay, very good. Now look at the picture. What can you see in the picture?
It's a night.
Mike. Okay, so what is Nick doing?
Nick is Nick is um
Where is Nick? Where is Nick? Nick inside the house or outside the house?
um Nick is
Okay. Look at Nick. Where is Nick? Outside or inside the house?
is outside in house.
Okay, very good. Outside the house. Very good. Now this one, he
It's
is
naughty.
okay, naughty. Now this one, what number is this?
It's eight.
8?
Nine. Nine.
It's 9. Very good. Okay.
19.
Again, who is this?
It's Mick.
Okay. How about this one? Who is this?
Um, is um,
Who is this? Who is this?
is um, is is a Nick.
Okay, very good. That's
Nick is outside the house.
very good. Nick is outside the house. Very good. Now look at the picture. Okay. Look at the picture book. What can you see in the picture?
Is a mooncake night. My night.
Okay, very good. Now look at this. What is the day? Is it night
It's a
or
moon.
morning? Yes, night or morning?
Night.
Okay, night. Now look at the mice. What are they doing?
Why is run.
Yes, very good. They are run.
Run.
Very good. Can you say it? The mice.
Is run.
Okay, the mice is running. Now, where is the mooncake? Where is the mooncake?
Is on the table.
Very good. The mooncake is on the table. Okay. So again, can you tell Teacher Kai? It is, it is
Night.
very good. And the mouse is
Now is um, a mouse is run.
okay. The mouse is running. Can you say
Run.
it? Running.
Running.
Okay, very good. Now where is the mooncake?
Mm, Mooncake is on the table.
Very good. The mooncake is on the table. Now look at the picture. Do you know what is this?
With I don't know.
Okay. This is what we call clams. Clams.
Don't, don't,
Again, this is
clams,
clam.
clams.
Okay. Very good. So where is the clams?
Mm,
Where is the clams? Where is the clam?
this clam is in the
Okay.
in the
This one is a jar. Jar. Okay, jar. This one is a jar. Okay. Where is the clam?
uh is on the table.
Okay, very good. So the clams is on the
The
table.
table.
But this one, Pook, this is a jar.
Jam, jam,
Okay. So where's the clam? The clam is in what?
in the in the
Jar.
door in the door.
Okay, again, jar. Jar.
Door,
Look at this one, Pook. Jar.
door,
Jar. This one.
door.
Okay, where is the
Uh,
clam?
mm, is mm, is a clam is on the jar.
Okay. Again, on this one is inside. So in. The clam is
Inside
in the jar.
in in the jar.
Okay. So again, let's read.
Mm, is a clean clam ramen in clean jar.
Okay, now this one is crammed. Can you say it?
Ram,
Crammed. Again?
ram, ram.
Okay. Now let's have this one book. Let's read.
Mm, how?
Okay, this one.
Mm, is what?
Okay, and lastly we have.
Fine.
Okay. So look at this picture, book. Look at this picture.
Mm,
Look at this
is
picture. What
what?
are they doing? What are
Is
they doing?
swimming.
Okay, very
Is
good.
swimming.
This one, what are they doing, Poke?
Mm, mm, how are you? I am fine.
No, I'm asking, what are they doing?
Teacher, please go to the toilet.
Okay.
Đi chợ.
Okay, so again, let's go back. What are they doing? What? What are they doing?
Is swimming.
This one. This one.
Is
What?
is a chef.
Okay. Now, this one. Who is
Uh,
this?
he, she, who.
Okay. I'm asking, who is this?
Mm, he is brother.
Okay, very good. This one. Who is this?
She is sister.
Very good. Okay, now this one. Who is this?
Who is a baby sister drink a milk.
Okay, very good. Baby sister, drink a milk. Very good. Okay, now let's read the story book.
Hey Emma, how are you? Hey Timmy, I'm fine.
Okay, very good. Continue.
What are you doing? I'm painting. I am painting a picture.
Okay, now this one.
Who is she? She is Princess. He is a prince. The princess is his sister.
Okay, very good. So let's go back again.
Hey Emma, how are you?
Look at the
Hey Timmy, I'm fine.
look at the picture. What is Emma doing?
Is a painting a picture.
Okay, so he is painting a picture. Now look at this one. So who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
Mm, it is a print.
Okay, it is the prince. How about this one? Who is
Is
this?
a princess.
Okay, very
Princess
good.
is his sister.
Okay, very good. Princess is her sister.
Sister.
Okay, now this one, let's read.
What? How fun.
Okay, very good. What, how, and fine. Okay, now look at this one book. What
Oh,
is he
what?
doing?
What? What's she doing? She is swimming.
This one.
She is swim. Uh, how are you? I. How are you? I'm happy.
Okay, very good. So now this one we have.
Please.
Again.
He. She is a sister.
Very good. Now this one.
He is a brother.
Okay, very good. So she is a sister and he is a brother. Very good. So when do we use she? Boy or girl?
It's a girl.
Okay, how about for boy?
Or is a boy. He is a boy.
Okay, very good. He is a boy. Now let's have this one.
What are you? I am thinking.
Okay. So what is this book?
It's a snowman.
Okay, very good. It is a snowman. Do you know how to make a snowman?
No,
No. Okay. So, do you have winter?
no.
No. Okay, so can you tell teacher Kai what weather is this? Hot, cold, windy, summer? What is this?
It's mm, a snowy.
Okay, it is snowy. Is it hot or cold?
It's a cold, cold,
Oh,
cold.
very good. It is a cold. Now this one,
Whose? Whose are you? It
who,
is my dad.
who is?
Who is this? He is my dad.
What will you use for boy? He or she?
It's a he.
Okay, so you will say who is? Who is? What will you use? She or he?
Mm,
She or he?
it's a he.
Okay, so you will say,
He is my dad.
okay, he is. Who is he? He is my dad. Okay, so again, let's read this one. This is,
Mine. Nine.
okay, this one.
How, what, fine, he, she, who.
Okay, very good. So again, what are they doing?
Is a swimming.
Okay, now this one, who is he?
He is brother.
Okay, this one.
She is sister.
Okay, and lastly, we have,
Who is is sister. Bring
okay, what is she doing?
what
What is she doing? What is she doing?
is a sister.
What is she doing? She is,
She is baby sister. Bring bring the milk.
okay, very good. So, that will be all for today. Teacher Kai will be saying goodbye and good night po.
Goodbye. Chào.